Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Here to bring you a battle between the DC Audio Level 4s versus the DS18s, DS1812s. They the XXs. And I think it says XXs. So let's go ahead and check it out, y'all. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Can't you see my love for you is killing me? I don't know who I am or
I hope you guys liked it. That just let me know. You know, give me your honest opinion. You know, I can put versus everything, because I can put versus custom box, versus different amp. I could put that in on this one video though, but it's all about the speakers on this video. So whatever you guys think that won, you know, give me your honest opinion. I will appreciate it. If you haven't yet, join the Facebook group, the D.I.Y gang. You know, I will leave a link in the bottom in the description. Yeah, and to speak on the Jeep, I'm not going to continue to ignore the Jeep. You know, still in the shop. It's been in the shop for the last 4 days. So we still don't halt, you know what I'm saying? Now I might have to do a video. I got my Jeep back. Because my Jeep been gone. You know, I want to send a shout out to my boy Worm for winning the state championship. You know, congratulations to him. You know, and that's about it, guys. I mean, when I get the Jeep back, like I said, it's like tons of stuff to still do. You know, I still got to fix the subwoofer. Still got to do a better ground. Still got to hook up the 4-channel amp. And plus, I got a surprise coming in for you guys. Yeah. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. You know, y'all know I always have a lot of surprises on this channel. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and you love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.